Hello everyone. So in this video, I just want to talk about an issue that a lot of advertisers face. So if you've been running Facebook ads, at some point in time, you must have seen this message, potentially violating personal data sent to Facebook. And this usually happens, for example, if you're on a web page that maybe has a form and then you fill successfully, go into the thank you page, and then just the info just sticks to the URL. Uh, so to fix this, I actually have a tag manager account and I have a personal website that belongs to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this live with you. And a lot of advertisers actually face this issue. So I went to this Reddit, like subreddit, and I found that a lot of people, this actually was about 2 years ago. And then there's just a comment for this post 1 year ago, 1 year ago, 1 year ago. And this one as well, Stack Overflow. There's this guy asking this question 1 month ago, and I was actually the one who actually responded to his requests and just thought that I can maybe do a video and just share it with everyone. Okay, so let's go to Tag Manager. As you can see, I have two. This is Facebook Pixel JavaScript enabled, and this is just the standard Pixel image. Let me go ahead and actually open this one up. Facebook Pixel implementation. And if we go to this one, so this is the JavaScript enabled, and this is the non-JavaScript enabled. Okay, so this is how you can differentiate between the two. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do a little demonstration. I actually need to enable this. Let me enable it and then let's click on preview. All right. Okay, so we're waiting for this one to load. Okay, so view content, if I click on view content, pixel location, so whichever URL was in here, it's going to be exactly here, and this actually gets sent. For example, if you have a view content event, this URL would be sent back to Facebook. So assuming that I have here maybe first name, last name, maybe email, this would be copy pasted here, sent back to Facebook, and let's click here. You should see ID, event, and then this is the DL. This is maybe the referral link. And as you can see, everything gets sent to Facebook, screen width, screen height. And let's just say that I don't really want to send any of these. So I would go back here. So if you're planning to do this via the JavaScript enabled, then I don't think it's possible. So the only way is actually to disable this altogether and then use the non-JavaScript enabled one instead, okay? So this is, again, for reference, is this little part right here. Again, if you're using Tag Manager, I just copied this link and then replace the Facebook Pixel ID. Let me go ahead and show you that. Okay, so you go ahead, custom image, and then I just paste it in the URL. And as I said, I changed the ID. And yeah, for example, if you're on the home page, it's going to be page view. And then if you're on the thank you page, it's going to be a lead or whatever. So that depends on your personal personal website, personal clients, etc. Okay. So yeah, the fix for this is just to use the JavaScript, the non-JavaScript one. And if we go back here and then click here and then page view, pixel location, you can see that it's empty. And then if we go here again, so this is the one, we only have the ID, page view, and this is the event ID. This is something that I personally added to the URL because I'm using the conversions API. So that's why I use this one for just for testing purposes. This actually, like in real world, should be dynamic depending on the event. Yeah, this is pretty much it. So this is pretty much it for the solution. I think if you apply it to your website, it should function properly. And let me know if you have any questions. There's one more thing I want to add, and that is if you maybe have a confirmation/purchase page, or maybe this is an e-commerce thing. I suggest that you hire an expert, maybe to add like the product data and send it back to Facebook. This can be a little bit complicated if you try to do it on your own. Again, feel free to do it if you want to, but just suggest that you hire an expert. And then for the Maybe if it was just 2 pages, welcome page and then thank you page, this is something that you can do easily on your own. Let me know maybe if you're interested. I can maybe do that in a separate video, but that should cover it. That should cover it. So let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. And yeah, thank you so much.